leading players in the alternative chicken space and the technologies they use. 4 main technologies are used for chicken analog muscle. 1. High moisture extrusion, HME. 2. Cell culture, or lab-grown. 3. Shear-Cell technology. And 4. 3D printing. We don't expect any innovative business to rely on only one technology. Therefore, a combination of these technologies is highly probable. A. The first technology is high moisture extrusion, HME. Plant protein extrusion is popular, scalable and widely used, for example by 1. Beyond Meat using soy and wheat proteins to make Beyond Chicken tenders. 2. The Canadian startup, Gardein, which uses soy protein isolate, wheat gluten, and pea protein isolate. 3. The Unilever-backed The Vegetarian Butcher to make chicken analog using soy protein and wheat protein. 4. The Swiss startup Planted using pea protein and soy proteins. 5. Corn, which uses mycoprotein from a fungus called Fusarium venenatum among other proteins. 6. Nestlé's Garden Gourmet using pea protein and wheat gluten. And 7. Impossible Foods to make impossible chicken nuggets from soy and other protein ingredients. B. The second technology is cell culture, or lab-grown meat or cultured meat, whereby meat is grown in a laboratory from animal cells. The cells develop into muscle tissue that can be harvested and processed into meat products. 2 American pioneers in cultured meat are Just Foods, previously Beyond Eggs, and Memphis Meats, rebranded Upside Foods, which received FDA's No Questions letter. Cell-cultured or lab-grown chicken meat is made by 3 Israeli startups. 1. Aleph Farms. 2. Super Meat. And 3. Future Meat Technologies. C. The third technology is Shear-Cell technology, closely related to HME, used by rival foods founded by Birgit Dekkers, former PhD of inventor Professor Atze Jan van der Goot. D. The fourth technology is 3D printing, used by the Israeli-based Redefine Meat, who print using soy, pea protein, and wheat protein as well as fibers and natural fats. The second company is NovaMeat of Barcelona. They use pea protein, rice protein, seaweed extracts, and vegetable oils. Special mention of Steakholder Foods. The Israeli first Nasdaq-listed 3D bioprinting innovator acquired the Belgian avian business Piece of Meat, changed its name from MeatTech to Steakholder Foods, and is busy entering into collaborations. The latest with Singaporean cultivated fish business, Umami Meats. 4 other chicken analog products look like extruded chicken products. They are probably produced using a combination of cooking techniques, which drive texture formation. These are 1. NUGGS, made by Simulate Food Company, of New York, from pea protein isolate and rice protein. Technology is not revealed. 2. Daring Foods of New York make chicken analogs using soy, gluten-free, non-GMO, with proprietary technology. 3. The third is Rebellyous, which claims to use own patented technology. It was founded by aerospace engineer Christy Legally. And 4. Finally, the German company LikeMeat, which uses soy protein and probably wheat proteins and sunflower oil. It is unclear, but they seem to use a combination of HME, baking, steaming, and/or frying. KFC was reported to have tested 3D printed chicken nuggets with the Russian firm 3D Bioprinting Solutions using chicken cells and plant materials. We've no idea about its fate. Brazil's meat titan, JBS, has invested in 1. The Spanish-based biotech Foods. 2. The Brazilian Incrível Sera. 3. The Dutch-based Vivera. And 4. The US-based Plantera. These are other main players and investors in the alternative meat space. In terms of the market, the global plant-based meat market size was estimated to reach $13.8 billion in 2021, according to a report by Markets and Markets. The chicken alternative market is expected to grow to $1 billion by 2027. At Sinonin Biotech, we understand plant protein chemistry, functionality and texturization technology with practical experience and expertise in the human and pet food applications. If you wish to develop meat analogs with plant proteins, talk to us. We shall help you on the choice of functional proteins, formulation and validation strategies to deliver an authentic muscle-like product for human and pet food diets. Contact us today.